Can I come in, sir?
Please come.
Thank you, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Miss Sanjita Mahapatra.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have qualified for the Odisha Civil Service.
Yes, sir.
Have you joined?
No, sir. The results came out in 2018. The 2017 results came out in 2018. Then UPSC mains was there. So I had asked for leave so that I could prepare
Oh,
for.
okay. So you have taken leave, or
Yes.
that's why you haven't joined.
Yes, sir. I haven't joined yet.
And are you married?
Yes, sir. I'm married.
When did you get married?
2017, sir.
17 also. So what does your husband do?
He is in Reserve Bank of India.
Oh, that's very nice. So, Miss Sanjita, let's start, and please tell us something about yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Sanjita Mahapatra. I am born and brought up in Rourkela, Odisha. I completed my bachelor's in technology and mechanical engineering from CET Bhubaneswar in 2012. Then I worked for 5 years in Rourkela Steel Plant, Steel Authority of India Limited.
For
5 years, sir.
5 years.
Yes, sir.
Great.
And after that, I always wanted to join civil services. It's there in back of my mind. I was trying to manage both job and the studies, which was quite proving difficult. I was not doing justice to my job, so I decided that
Or
finally
you are
I'll
not doing justice to the studies.
both, sir.
Okay. I see that you are in NCC also.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the length of the step that you take while marching in NCC?
No, sir.
How many steps we walk in a minute?
10 steps, sir.
In a minute? Come on.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
Can you tell me about NCC? When what is established and where all it's working in India?
Right now, NCC was established by the Britishers to give another force which could help the main army. But then after India got independence, there was an NCC Act 1947 by which formal to train the youth from at very early age
So
in
what date it was formally established in India?
National Cadet Corps
Yeah.
at school level and also at the
No, on what date it was formally started in India after independence?
I'm not able to
It
recall
doesn't
right
matter.
now.
So what is its structure? How does it work?
It
What's
has
the organization like?
there's a complete there are at the commanding level, at the district level we have groups, then above it there are battalions, then there are company, and then all over
Company over a battalion? I thought it's the other way around, no?
maybe, sir, I'm not very
Anyway.
well, because it was way back. I'm sorry, sir, I'm not well informed about it.
But how is it divided state-wise? Do you have it in every state?
There are
What are they called, the headquarters? Directorates.
directorates, yes, sir.
How many directorates are there, any idea?
19 directorates are there, sir.
Now, sociology is your subject.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what are the major social issues in India today?
One of the major social issues which we face right now is women, the status of women in India, the patriarchal mindset which has been prevalent, though it has come down a little, but still in many areas we find it. Migration as a social issue has been a big challenge to us, and then there is poverty as a social issue which persists.
Poverty, you're saying much later in the list of priorities, okay. Then?
Education sector, that is also a very big social issue, because many migrants, tribals, usually they are not getting their child educated because of many other reasons which they have.
Tell me, since you talk of the gender, especially of women and all, now the Supreme Court order making the women as commandants in the army. Now, supposing that you are there in the army and you have become a CEO of a battalion, and men refuse to obey, as is expected in India, in your unit, so what action will you take as a commandant?
So, can I give a personal experience over here?
I have told my question, the rest is up to you.
Sir, I as a mechanical engineer, when I joined Rourkela Steel Plant, I was posted at shift in charge of around 10 to 15 people who were an average age of 45 years old, and I was a 23-year-old girl who had to give them instructions on the mechanical section to work. So initially it was very difficult for them. They did not want to obey many of the orders because they did not find it proper. But with time, when I went on to the place, worked with them, showed them that I am capable of the same, and that is how with time they gained my
Will
respect.
it apply to the army also?
Yes, sir. If I show them that I am capable enough to do what they are able to do, if I have the capacity, my
Now,
gender
if there is
should.
a war with Pakistan and your unit has to move ahead, and at that time, if they refuse, will you apply the same principle?
So I have come up to the position of a CEO because of my capabilities, which I have showcased since last so many years.
Okay.
So I expect my men will respect me at that point of time to move forward.
Tell me, since we are talking of this Pakistan, which is a bigger threat to India, China or Pakistan?
For the time being, I would consider Pakistan to be a greater threat because.
Yeah.
Because of the terrorist related activities which poses a constant national security threat to us, which leads to a loss of lot of
I
loss
did
of.
not say security threat, I said threat to India.
I am speaking in terms of secure, because China has an economic threat, we can say, because of the huge difference we have in our trade relations, but that can be gapped with our by increasing our exports and by working on it, by developing our trade. But the terrorist threat which we face from Pakistan, that is a bigger security threat.
Now tell me that supposing you are from Odisha, the
Yes, sir.
cyclones is a big issue.
Yes, sir.
Now supposing that there is an earthquake and cyclone both, and a lot of people die in that, and it would naturally take time to even recognize who all have died. And somebody from, let's say, goes from Delhi, and another family goes from Kerala, another from UP, 3-4 people go maybe a month later, and want to know that what happened to their kin. Were they there or they were not there, or are they alive or dead or buried or what? How will you find out and tell them and show them that this is where your kin is? In other words, I am asking you the methodology of keeping a record of the dead for future use. How will you do that?
So I would contact the district administration who would be having a complete record of all the people, those who
You are
have
in the
been.
district, you are the district magistrate.
Uh,
Then
I would take up all the records which my block development officers and the BDOs and Tehsildars may have had the record of the people they have evacuated, and the people unfound, unidentified bodies which would have been sent to the district hospitals where they must have been marked. And then from there, that records I may
but
be
how would they also tell you about a person about whose identity is not known?
So now we have usually the DNA samples are kept for future for the unidentified
Okay.
people.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Sangeeta,
Yes, sir.
tell us your views on reservations. My view is that they perpetuate social discrimination.
So when reservation was thought about in a constitution by the constitution makers, it was to address the social discrimination or the disabilities which had been inflicted on a certain group of people. It was to remove that social disparity. With time, the reservation has taken up a shape which is being disproportionately being used by many people, and is being thought that it's discriminatory, as you are pointing out. But I would again say that scheduled tribes, scheduled castes, especially those who benefit from the reservation, they are yet to come up to the level to which they to be at par with the general population. So I think reservation does help them quite a lot. At least I see in Odisha, where there are 40% of the population is scheduled tribe and scheduled caste. So it has helped them to be at prominent positions in public institutions, and then that has translated in their work and their own workplaces.
So what are your views?
So I think it is helpful to the
And they should continue
and it should continue.
indefinitely.
Not indefinitely. I think my personal view about is that it should be restricted, that a person cannot use the reservation quota throughout his life for getting a seat in a college.
How long?
Once in a lifetime he can be used to get into.
What about OBCs, Jats, Patels? Now
There-
EWS? Is that right?
Yes, sir.
No, is that right? You support it? What about talent?
Sir, and there is inherent talent in many people, but the point is there are certain people who do not get the which we call as cultural capital. Some people do not have that necessary
Do you think talent suffers or not?
at some extent, but not absolutely.
Okay. Now, subsidies. Are they good? Can these be also perpetuated like reservations?
Subsidies in the agricultural sector specifically, if I point out, they help to a certain extent because of the extent how agriculture is turning into unremunerative.
I'm
But
not against subsidies, but can they be perpetuated?
no, that it does not address the structural problems which is affecting the whole thing. We should address the structural problems which is affecting, be it in agriculture, be it in export. We need to make ourselves more competitive, and gradually the subsidies should be done away with, sir.
What time period?
I may not be able to give an exact time period for the
No,
timing, but
my question was, can they be perpetuated just like the reservations?
no, indefinitely they should not be perpetuated. They
Okay.
should come to
My
an end.
last argument, and I'm arguing that the government's approach is very conservative and politically motivated. Protectionism. We continue to protect our industry, our agriculture, even after 70 years. We did not sign the RCEP.
Sir, RCEP we did not sign. One of the major factor was China flooding our our markets. We have not been competitive.
No, I know the government's
Stand.
logic, but are we not prepared to make our industry competitive?
We are prepared, but we are not at a stage that we can compete absolutely
So
globally.
therefore, after 70 years, our society isn't ready because reservations will continue. Our agriculture and other exports will continue to thrive on subsidies, and our industry will never become competitive. So my theory is, as I told you, the government is conservative, orthodox, for a political purpose. All these, not just this government, generally. Do you agree or do you not agree?
Sir,
First, tell me, do you agree or do you not? Or do you agree or not agree with caveats?
with caveats, I partially agree and partially I do not agree, because we have been doing tremendously well in ease of living and the ease of doing business, which we have moved to around 69th rank
You
right
can get a
now.
gun license quicker than opening a restaurant. That's ease of business for you.
And then we have been the soft power of India has grown tremendously in the world today. I agree on that.
Yoga.
Sir, Israel, Iran, Saudi Arabia, they all consider India to be one of the best partners they have right now, be it in economic
You are
sector.
deviating from the topic.
So I would the protectionist aspect which we are saying, we are trying to protect because yes, our society, our agriculture has not reached at par, maybe because of
Neither our exports, neither our industry, nothing. Because we protect them, we have been protecting them for 70 years and we will continue to do that.
so we are trying to liberalize them right now, and we are importing lot of technology. We have Make in India
Importing
program.
technology, we're not doing any.
So the Make in India program has actually helped in
One
open.
success. Yeah.
Sanjita ji,
Yes.
You come from Rourkela,
Yes, sir.
or born in Rourkela, I think.
Yes, sir.
And Bhubaneswar, how you are connected?
Bhubaneswar, I studied there my plus 2 and my engineering, sir.
Good. Can you briefly describe the forest and tribals of Odisha?
We have 3 different kind of forest over there, the tropical moist deciduous, tropical dry deciduous, and we have mangrove forest in the coastal areas. And then the tribals we have over there is, we have around 40 particularly vulnerable tribal groups. The tribal belts are very much focused in the
How many types of tribes, sir?
Nearly 71 or 72, sir. I am not able to recall, sir.
Any primitive tribes also there?
Yes, sir.
Which are
The Dongriya Kones, Mankadia tribes, then there are
What are they
Lanchis.
doing? What kind of a livelihood they profess?
The Mankadia tribes are mostly, they are concerned with getting sal trees are there. They make ropes out of it. Dongriya Kones usually.
Ropes out of the salt tree?
Yes, sir.
Which part of the tree?
Sprouts from the branches. There are hanging ropes which come down, which they use for making ropes actually, sir. And the Dongriya Kones, they are dependent on hunting and gathering. Right now they are working as laborers.
Good. You name a device in the vehicle, a car or jeep, which helps in charging battery. Offline.
I'm not able to recall right now, sir. I'm not able to recall, sir. Sorry.
Doesn't matter, I'll take back to the sociology. What is the origin of the caste and what is your assessment of the caste with respect to progress in the society? And what is the way ahead? These 3 questions.
Origin of the caste is it's from the Portuguese term casta actually. The Aryans, when they came down, there was a miscegenation between the Aryans and the local people. They were the fair skinned and the dark skinned. Initially it was Avarna and Savarnas, Dasas, and from that in the Upanishads, when they were developed, then they disproportionate into the Purusha Sukta thing which is there in Rig Veda, where they termed that the Brahmins, then the Kshatriyas, Brahmins came from the mouth of the Purusha Sukta, and that is how the hierarchy developed.
That is not correct, that we know.
Yes.
That is just nobody comes from the mouth.
That is how they tried to establish the hierarchy, because they had to establish a hierarchy and to bring about the difference that those.
Why a hierarchy was set up in India, God set up in India and not outside? Europe and all that, Australia, Africa, South Africa.
Because primarily land was a very big asset in India, which was not that of importance. In Europe, industrialization came in very early when
Before that, lot of time has passed in the history. Our caste system is quite older compared to the industrial civilization.
So land was appropriated by a few people. So they wanted to keep a tab on the lower caste people, and they wanted
the Brahmins didn't have land also.
Yes, sir.
Brahmins, they didn't have land.
Kshatriyas used to have land, and to get an affirmation that they are the rightful owner of the lands, they gave the Brahmins a lot of land, which was called
But
Brahmadev.
Kshatriyas are not having much land. Now most of the land is with the OBCs.
So that after the land reforms which came down.
No, nobody has distributed it. Nobody has distributed effectively in India. Land reforms are except few states like West Bengal, Kerala. Nowhere land reforms have been carried out.
Yes, sir. They were not.
They were not carried out. So anyhow, forget about the origin of the caste. Tell me the assessment, whether it is a good or advantages, disadvantages, anything.
Caste system has worked both as a advantage and disadvantage. As an advantage, it has worked as a political force, like grouping of people who were fighting for their rights so that they could bring about.
What is the advantage? They could have aligned on the issues.
So caste has a very strong kinship bonds. They are very deeply connected
This is
with.
a disadvantage, no? According
Yes.
to me. It is a disadvantage that they go together on caste basis rather than on issue basis.
That is how caste system has played for a very long time, that kinship bonds are which strongly comes around rather than.
That is explanation, not assessment. Whether it is a positive thing or negative thing that people are voting based on caste.
That is a negative thing, sir, because
Then
that is a disadvantage. I'm saying that is how, like, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people, those who have come together, that their caste has given them an identity because of which they are able to voice their concerns. So in that way, that has helped them.
Okay, that
But in OBC and all, they are come together, that has become a politically motivated move, or which has helped them in a different kind of way.
Okay. And how to take care of it? Whether is there any method to get away with the caste?
Sir, eliminating caste in India would be a very big, tough job to do for decades to
You
come.
are a
But
sociologist. What method can you follow?
sir, sir say, we have to put on education. Education has to be such wide, and everyone is skilled enough that this gap goes on, that there's a huge gap, that if that is bridged.
Can we make a law saying that endogamy is prohibited? Nobody will marry within the caste.
We in future we may go in that direction, but for the timing it will be very difficult to, because people are so much they're so much invested in their caste, in their religion, that bringing about a mindset change would
Will
take
there
time.
be any problem according to the constitution? It will be unconstitutional.
No, it will not be unconstitutional, because we have the freedom of marriage in any caste, but bringing about imposing any constitutional morality on the people always backlashes. So there has to be a social
Okay,
movement
good.
when people.
I'll give you a small situation of a business situation. You are a management, you are the chief executive in a business firm. Let us say sale,
Okay, sir.
you have worked there. And you are outsourcing to get clients. Sale means basically they are selling the steel and all that.
Yes, sir.
So that outsource to a firm, you have to bring the customers. So now that firm has brought to you all customers. Whatever your production is there, all can be sold.
Okay, sir.
But there was a condition in the agreement that he or she will not give customers to other firms, competitive firms. Who are the competitor of sale?
JSW, Tata Steel, and ArcelorMittal.
So to them. So because lot of customers are there, after satisfying your needs, he has started diverting those customers, extra customers to, let us say, Tata Steel and all that.
Okay, sir.
You come to know what you will take, what you will do, what action will you take.
Sir, as my pact, I'm not able to recall the word, the contract which I must have taken up with the
Agreement.
person, so that agreement must have clearly mentioned terms and conditions.
It has mentioned that
So,
he or she will not supply to others.
so there will be penalty conditions which will be there on that. So
Penalty
I.
is not there. Condition is not there. This is the only one condition.
This is an unethical practice which the firm is
No,
doing.
but
sir.
you are going to take action. That is the question. Question is not what is your view.
I will talk to my legal team to for annulling the agreement which we have with that.
Suppose you are the legal advisor also of the firm.
So I'll initiate a term to annul the agreement with the contractor so that we
You
can.
will annul. Okay. Last question. You know what is social justice. You also know what is economic justice.
Yes, sir.
So what is climate justice? Tell me.
Climate justice is when all the people, irrespective of their caste, creed, race, religion, they all are equally treated in terms of the climate change which is affecting, which is disproportionately affecting a certain group, and
So they will be made to be affected equally.
yeah.
Everybody should be equally affected.
No, everyone should get the relief equally. Everyone should be able to.
How everyone? this cyclone is in Odisha, how the fellow from Haryana will get the equal compensation for that?
I'm talking about if we know there are certain areas which will be affected more from there. So we can divert those amount of money and invest in the disaster prone areas, so that is how
That is
we'll
climate justice.
That is how we'll make about
Thank you
climate.
very much.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Sanjita,
Yes,
you
sir.
have a very impressive DAF. You have been the state champion at standard 12, grade 12
Yes,
in
sir.
public speaking. Very impressive.
Thank you, sir.
You've won other awards also.
Thank you, sir.
You have been a student of engineering.
Yes, sir.
What day is Engineering Day celebrated in India? You have studied at the
When-
College of Engineering and Technology in Bhubaneswar. What day is celebrated as Technology Day in India? And why? Okay, you were a student all along of science.
Yes, sir.
Which day is celebrated as Science Day and why?
I'll have to go back and check. all
Okay,
of this.
you have said on page 1 of your DAF that you are a citizen of India.
Yes, sir.
What is the term which is used in India for Indian origin people who now are citizens abroad?
Overseas citizen of India.
And in Hindi? Pravasi Bhartis.
Pravasi Bharati.
What day is celebrated as Pravasi Bharti Divas and why?
It's 9th January.
Why?
Because that's the day when which Mahatma Gandhi came back to India.
Okay. Now, there are two persons of Indian origin who are prime ministers of foreign countries. Who are they?
I am not able to recall it now, sir.
Okay. Are you following developments relating to President Trump's visit?
Yes, sir.
What are the agreements which are likely to be signed?
There's a defense deal which is likely to be signed on.
And what is included in the defense deal?
I am not able to recall.
Are we
the
buying
name.
from them or they are buying from
No,
us?
sir. We are buying from
From
them,
them what?
helicopters. I don't know the exact name.
How
of
many
the-
types?
I cannot recall. Sir.
Okay. President Trump will be the 7th president of the United States to visit India. Who were the earlier 6?
So I recall 2014 or 15, President Barack Obama visited, and
Obama visited twice.
yes, Obama
Which was the other
visited
year?
too. 2009 when Manmohan Singh.
10.
10. Okay, sir.
But who were the other earlier presidents?
Cannot
You don't
recall,
recall.
sir.
There was one First Lady of the United States. You know what is a First Lady?
Yes, sir.
The wife of the
Wife
president.
of the president.
One First Lady who came to India without her husband.
Sorry, sir.
You don't know. Okay, now the Prime Minister yesterday inaugurated an event in your state, Orissa. What event was that?
I haven't followed.
You haven't followed.
Yes, sir.
That means you haven't been reading the papers
Yeah.
or following the news. Is that correct?
It's 2-3 days.
It's
yes.
now 2 o'clock and you haven't followed the news? The Prime Minister also inaugurated an event in Delhi yesterday. What was that event?
I haven't followed, sir.
It was the International Judicial Conference, and the one he inaugurated in Orissa was the Khelo India University Games. These were widely covered by television. Okay, now you're an orator. I want 2 minutes of your time to speak to me on 2 topics, 1 minute each. Okay? India should join the CPEC. You can speak for or against. What is the CPEC?
Comprehensive partnership.
No. That's the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor.
Okay,
You're confused between the
RCEP
Regional
and
Comprehensive Economic Partnership
Yes.
and the China. So, India should join the CPEC. Your views, 1 minute.
The CPEC runs through the northern corridor which connects through the Karakoram range. So it quite encircles India on the northern side. So it should join because it is one of the primary region which will connect.
India should join
India should join.
the CPEC.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now interjection. Why is India not joining?
because it feels that it affects the sovereignty of India, because that area is a disputed area and there has not been international settlement.
Is it disputed?
India claims it's to be its own, but as Pakistan, it's occupied by Pakistan.
Have you read history? The Maharaja of Kashmir had signed the accession agreement with India or with Pakistan.
With India, sir.
So India was legally in control of Jammu and Kashmir, legally the owner in terms of the accession agreement.
Yes, sir.
Now Pakistan sent its forces and illegally occupied. So our territory, which is occupied by somebody else, how can we say that it's a disputed territory? You can say it's illegally occupied, but you have your reasons for saying that India should join, but by and large I must tell you that is contrary to the view which is widely held in India. Now, speak for or against. 1 minute, I will not interrupt you. Democracy is unsuitable for India.
It's been 70 years of democracy.
Are you speaking for or against? Democracy is unsuitable for India.
No, I'm speaking against it.
Okay.
Democracy is suitable for India.
1 minute, yeah.
Democracy has been there in India for last 70 years, and we have been one of the most stable government throughout the 7 decades of our existence. We have a freedom of expression, freedom to move around. The fundamental rights which we have been accorded has provided India a voice, and that's why today we are a soft power throughout the world because of this freedom, the fundamental rights it has bestowed on its citizens. Democracy has helped everyone to have his or her own voice, and it has resulted in political democratization at a very good level. Yes, we are to put ourselves up in the social and economic sector to come at par with the whole world, but I think democracy has really helped India to reach a stage where we can stand as equals, and all of the countries in the world today want India to be their good friend.
Good. So, your candidate.
Thank you so much, Ms. Sangeeta. Our discussion with you is over. Kindly wait for a few minutes outside. We'll call you if we
Thank
can.
you, sir.
Won the debate.
Thank you, sir.
No, the judges are yet to decide the verdict.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck.
Please come. So, Ms. Sangeeta, are you going for the interview for the first time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How have you done with us today? What is your assessment? We'll of course tell you.
Current affairs, sir asked very basic questions which as a student of science I should be aware of.
Anything else from current affairs?
Others, sir, as sir asked me, there has to be concrete, crisp answer I should have for reservation, subsidies. These are very burning questions. So as a sociological student, I should have very crisp answers for them, sir. And I haven't prepared, so I'm working on that, sir.
Well, we of course find you a very good candidate. Good personality, poise, communication, confident, pleasant, and you have a good background in terms of education, debater. You already have second rank in Odisha Civil Service. All goes for you. In fact, clearing that exam is going to make it a little tougher for you for the civil services, because expectation from you will be higher. Because you're already in a service, class 1 service for that matter. Having said that, there are quite a few areas where you need to work, and you have a lot of time at your disposal. That's the good part. You will continue to stay here, or you will go back to
No,
Odisha?
I'll go. I stay in Mumbai right now, sir, so I'll go back.
You're staying with your husband in Mumbai.
Yes.
He is in the Reserve Bank of India.
Husband in
there.
Mumbai, yes, sir.
Anyway, but you'll go back, and then I
Yes.
don't know how, but anyway. Let's begin with the beginning. Have you decided about the clothes that you will be wearing?
I'll be wearing a Sambalpuri sari with a bun.
Sambalpuri?
Yes.
Not, I hope not very bright color.
No, it's a pure
Yeah.
cream color.
Yeah, simple. Yeah.
Be
Not-
prepared
not-
for Sambalpur and for the sari.
Yes, sir. I'll
And
do
not much of a jewelry, okay?
that. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now entry. You knocked at the door right when you walked in. You need to look at all the members, smile and wish only the chairperson. And sit down after you are asked to sit.
Okay, sir.
I saw you the moment you entered, you came to the you straight away caught hold of the chair. Even while I was saying please sit down, and then of course by her said you made comfortable. Don't go for the chair, wait. That's number one. While talking also, I found that you are even moving your chair also. Don't do that. Looking at glancing at others, looking at us was not there. So try to do it.
So I'm not able to.
Doesn't matter. If you are not able to, then forget about
No, I look at the person who has asked me the question and then I should give a glance here and
it.
there.
Try to look at others. Like when you talk to friends, what do you do?
Okay, sir.
Isn't it?
Huh.
Just but that's not a priority or not at the cost of answering the question.
Okay, sir.
That you must realize.
Okay, sir.
There are information gaps.
Yes, sir.
You tend to talk extra. Some impractical ideas. You go on a tangent. Thinking is a problem at times. And using words like POK is disputed.
Okay, sir.
Never say that.
Okay, sir.
We are all Indians and we know that's our land.
Yes. Yes, sir.
It will be loss. Now, I'll come to the questions that I asked.
Yes, sir.
NCC. Some basic questions. Just
Yes.
Google that.
Yes, yes, yes.
You were not aware. Social issues. You focused only on gender issues. A whole lot of social issues. It's a long list.
Yes. It's a long list.
Communalism, poverty, corruption, this, that.
Yes, yes.
And you talked of 4, 5, out of 3 were about, I think, gender issues, and poverty came at the
Very-
end.
Yes, yes. It is a priority.
So I think that
Yes, sir.
was not correct. Gender issues, I talked to you about command position in the army. Your answer was totally wrong.
Okay, sir.
In the army, if people don't obey your command, your disciplinary action, court martial straight away, thrown out. Now I told you, there's a war with Pakistan. At that time, you think you will show them by what? In the meanwhile, Pakistan will come and capture your territory. I told you, grave. Even if the situation is not that way, if you are a commandant, if men don't obey, maybe once or twice you can tell them to behave, otherwise strict action has to be taken. It is not Rourkela steel plant.
Yes.
Also, when I asked you about this, you started giving that other example. You asked me, can I? So I said, I have asked my question. You should not have spoken of your experience there.
Okay, sir.
Answer the question, that's more important.
Okay, sir.
How to keep a record of dead? I gave you many hints. Normally what happens is, the photographs are taken, the iCards are taken, everything is done, album is made, so that if somebody goes later, then you can show the photos at least and see whether this realized or
Yes,
not.
valuable.
So that was
belongs.
again a washout. So what is to be done? Over and all, for me, it was a mixed kind of an interview. That competition is very tough, Sangeeta, here. 1 mark here and there would either take you or you will be in or out.
Yes, sir.
Having said that, we are very confident that you will do it and you have a lot of time at your disposal, and you will not only do well, you will come get a very high rank also. So what is to be done? First thing is, listen to each question very carefully, very carefully. Always pause, always answer, always think and always answer. If you don't know, you don't know.
Yes.
Cut it out. If you know partially, say, I know only this much. This is no crime, nobody knows everything. You will be honest and you will get marks for honesty at least. It's a personality test, not a test of knowledge.
Yes.
Whenever you know, you come direct to the point. Brief, short answer, simple. Don't give examples, don't go around here and there. You have the tendency of doing it. Make a list of about 60, 70, 80 topics. Divide them in 3 parts. From DAF, your subject and current affairs.
Yes.
See each typed word here and see what questions can be asked.
Yes.
Say from your subject and current affairs, keep on reading, including an economic newspaper. Make bullet points under all the 3 portions.
Yes.
And current affairs, you keep on updating your bullet points. So it will become a reference booklet for you,
Yes.
which you can frequently refer to, and on the day of the interview, it will come very handy,
Yes.
just to recall that what is there. Yojana you must buy. For foreign affairs website of Ministry of External Affairs, and some articles which keep on coming regularly by the foreign experts, foreign affairs experts, including Raja Mohan and all,
Yes, sir.
in Indian Express. Economist Online is a very good magazine which comes from London, so have a look at very good articles they write. We have no doubt that you will make it. But with the kind of interview you had today, your rank won't be very high. If you do what I have told you, you will get a very high rank.
Thank you, sir.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Sangeeta, the trick is, as the chairman says, to anticipate questions. How will you anticipate questions? It's not rocket science. Your DAF, Odisha, we read about Odisha, sociology, mechanical engineering, SAIL. So every word can result in a question. So if you do it intelligently, from DAF alone you can anticipate at least 2 questions. And from current affairs, not much happening, 10, 12, 15, at the most 20 topics.
Yes.
Okay, identify those topics, read editorials, form opinions. How do you form opinions? By writing down, read 2 editorials and write down in bullet forms, 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
the messages that hit you. So for all the other things, the idea is that if you follow the bullet point approach, then you can go over them
Yes.
10 times, 20 times, 30 times, then they stick in your mind.
Yes.
And then you won't be giving long-winded, introductory kind of responses.
Yes, sir.
Because there's very little time. You know, I have 5 minutes, he has 5 minutes.
Yes.
So within 5 minutes, I've got to ask you 3, 4 questions. If you do not hit the nail on the head,
Yes.
and you start giving long-winded answers, introduction, you're not writing an essay. So then people will lose interest.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So follow that advice very literally.
Yes, sir.
But on the positive side, I have written here cheerful, confident, good communication skills.
Thank you, sir.
But on the other side, my 3 issues on reservations, subsidies, and protectionism,
Yes, sir.
you were largely defensive. What is the situation today? Largely defensive government policy. You are supporting reservations without acknowledging that talent will suffer. You say no, it will not suffer because the others have talent. But talent will acknowledge that. At least acknowledge that. You don't even want to acknowledge that.
No, I'll have to form a more
You'll have to
balanced
form
answer for that.
On subsidies.
Yes.
Again, but you came to a right point here that you must improve the agriculture infrastructure. How do you improve that? Think about that. Maybe the debate will go towards that direction.
Yes.
Look at the budget, the 16-point rural agricultural plan.
Yes.
Protectionism, again, you are very defensive.
Yeah, I
You
was.
know, so again, protectionist. We'll isolate ourselves globally. This is one of the biggest trading blocks. And of course, that's why I said this is a political conservative approach. And you tended to play it safe, neither this side nor that side. So at the end of the debate, I never got to know what you really want, except to play safe.
So isn't that the point, to play safe?
No,
No.
no. You take a stand, and I give you a hint
So if
with
it's not
caveats.
politically correct,
With caveats.
Politically correct. Don't.
they say we
This
don't
is
want.
Politically correct
Who
doesn't
told you
mean.
that?
No.
Even if,
Political question will never be arrested.
even if your views go against the government, don't worry. You are here as an independent person. Government wants people who can think on their 2 feet, independently thinking.
Okay, sir.
No problem if your view is genuinely against the government's policies, but you should be ready to give arguments in favor of what you say in case of asked for.
So in the point in RCP, I agree. It was a good decision that RCP was not joined. But I also agree that we have kept ourselves. So how do I?
How can you stand on two stools?
Yeah, that.
Come on.
You can take a view, and I suggested with caveats.
Okay.
Like reservations are necessary. They are in the constitution because they are weakest section. There is a historical background to it, and they should continue. But you can say the caveats can be that they cannot. I agree that they cannot go on indefinitely. So improve the standards, improve the quality of education.
Yes.
Okay,
That way.
something like that. And
Okay.
all sections trying to get reservations not good.
Yes.
So what's going to happen? There's going to be no reservations now.
Yes.
Today there is, in my view, no reservation because everybody's got reservations.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So this, and they're talking about reservations in the private sector.
Yes.
Meaning, what is this? Meaning, are we headed to a society which is completely losing the self-help that it should be through protectionism, through subsidies, through reservations? No, that is not going to become a big power, global power with this. So I think you take a stand. You don't have to be very rigid in your way. Accept challenges. The caveats will be challenges, but take a view.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sanjita,
Yes, sir.
I asked you very simple device. I think you
I couldn't
never
recall.
knew it or could not recall
No,
it.
I could not recall it, sir. The automobile engineering, because I entered in the steel sector, it has
You
taken a
left it.
back seat actually.
I was about to ask you actually steel sector also. Now SAIL is having some joint venture or something like that.
With
Your steel rods which comes, steel bars which are some golden or what is some name of the other companies also there.
I don't know, sir.
Private joint venture.
I'm not sure, sir.
And a question you can think of also, there is something like a steel bar which you are selling, 40 feet long, but with the weight of something like a commonly used 8 to 10 bar and all that, 10 men. And
Okay, sir.
question can be asked because you have been there.
Yes.
So device is alternator, no? You may be
al-
knowing, no? No alternator.
yes.
Earlier you used to done, no? Original-
Dynamo was the thing which came into my mind and I thought it is not
it
correct.
was an old thing. Or you know the caste you need to study some endogamy, exogamy.
Yes.
I think some socialists have given theories.
Yes.
There are 4 or 5 theories about the caste
Yes,
origin.
yes.
Then your assessment,
On caste, sir.
check out some 2-3 points. Positive points will be hardly 1 or 2.
Yes.
Positive point is only 1. That in some caste that traditionally training of the younger ones is ensured in the same profession, very nice, like carpenters and all that, no? In case they want to go there. Otherwise they have to spend a lot of things on training outside.
Yes.
Training is free and they can, and then your what to do that you can think of.
Yes, sir.
Business will be better than
I do in caste system.
Situation of business, you simply went to the court, legal action. See, had you listened carefully, I said that your client base is taken care of. You are getting enough,
Okay.
which you want. Then you can bargain with him saying that, why reduce your fees? You are getting extra income from outside, so reduce something from my side. So at least your expenditure can be reduced.
Maybe I have this problem which I have lately discovered is when the question tends to be a bit lengthy, I lose track. So I'm having this problem since last 2-3 months.
Break the question into 2 or 3
The
parts.
question is longer or what the answer is? Questions generally are not longer. Why?
No, this one when sir was explaining me, I lost track in the mid. I could realize that, but then
ये situation वाला
so,
जैसे बता agreement condition was there.
Then the best
हाँ,
is,
तो-
I will tell you, but the trick is try to remember the first sentence.
हाँ,
If you still think you can't make the hang of it, say, sir, I have not
Ask again.
understood the complete question.
I
Can you
did.
kindly repeat?
I lost track in the mid.
So
That's
say
it.
that.
Yes.
Kindly
I-
repeat it.
Here, listen it carefully and
Yes.
then break that into different parts mentally. That
Yes.
okay, this part, that part, that part. These are I have to cover.
Yes.
Then climate justice was not, you are not aware of it. You Google it.
Okay, sir.
Our Prime Minister in 2015 spoke about it in the Paris Convention. So you need to know more about more with respect to your applied aspects of subject. That is from that
Social
dynamo.
logic.
Other things also may be there.
Okay.
Need to know then your current affair as well as that. That has already been, of course, advised. And when not knowing, say I don't know.
Okay, sir.
Unnecessarily, you kept on talking about social justice.
As I said, you have a tendency of talking extra. Don't.
Okay, sir.
To the point.
Caste also, in fact, overall assessment, if I give you of the caste question answer, then you could have better would have been, I would have been impressed had you said that there are some theories, but I don't remember.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
At the outset, Sanjita, I must clarify that none of my questions were long. They were simple, but your answers were totally off the mark. Either you did not know or you answered wrongly. Now, I could give you a discount if you can't answer Technology Day, which incidentally is Pokhran 2, 11th May, the day we had Pokhran 2. We also test flew Hansa, the aircraft indigenously made. We fired Trishul 3. So that's Technology Day. I don't blame you if you can't answer Engineers Day, although you should.
It's the 24th. Sir.
Pardon?
24th.
No.
Don't say wrong.
15th September, birthday of Dr. Vishwesh, which as an engineer,
Yes.
technology, you should know these things. Science Day, you're a science student. It must have been celebrated in your
Yeah.
school. I'm sure it was. It was celebrated in my school. The day Sir C.V. Raman demonstrated the Raman effect. But if you can't answer, no big deal. But if you can't tell me what did PM Modi inaugurate yesterday in your state, it showed me straight away that you're not following the news.
I am staying at a. There's some problem right now, but yeah, I'll do that, sir.
We don't
You
live
can
in
follow the
Odisha.
news on this. I do it all
There's
day.
no excuse.
No,
I
yes,
do it
sir.
all day, I just
agree,
follow it.
I agree.
You are found totally wanting, and it reflects very poorly on a candidate. Even otherwise, also as a citizen, but as a candidate for civil services.
Sorry, sir.
Now, I don't blame you if you can't tell me who are the PIOs who are prime ministers of countries abroad. But for your information, it is Praveen Jagannath, Prime Minister of Mauritius, Antonio Costa, Prime Minister of Portugal. General knowledge on matters which tangentially flow from your DAF, not direct.
Yes.
But somebody can ask you tangential questions.
Yes.
You should be prepared to answer.
Yes, sir.
By the way, we believe in giving a tough mark. Because if we give you an easy mark, it's no good. You'll have a tough time there. So we give you a tough mark
Yes, sir.
so that you're better prepared.
Yes.
The main thing is you should not lose your confidence. You were losing confidence. When you failed to answer a few questions, I could see that you were losing confidence. Although you recovered when I asked you to speak a minute on two topics, because after all, you're a good speaker. But remember, don't show nervousness in your face. You may be looking at one, but there are three other people looking at you.
Yes.
That's very important. Three other people are looking at you, and they'll know how you're reacting.
Yes.
Okay? So, work hard, prepare, hope you make it. Good luck.
Now, one thing more, Ms. Sanjita. I had told you about your clothing and all. Another suggestion for you, beta, would be that don't use a very bright nail polish. That
No, sir, I'll not.
I mean, I'm just a small little
No,
thing, but
that
I
is-
thought I'll say
no, sir, I'll cut down my nails
long
and-
nails,
no,
just
yes,
a
I'll
small
do.
little thing.
Yes, sir.
Now, any questions you have from any one of us? Anything else? Anything you want to know? Ask.
6 presidents have visited India before Trump will visit.
I'll
Go and
Google that.
research.
Yes, I'll-
Research on the internet.
because it's by the time I have my interview, these things must have.
Been over. There'll be new things.
So new things.
New things.
Current affairs.
Yeah.
But how many presidents visited? Somebody can ask otherwise
that
also.
is true.
So on your DAF, work very hard. On current affairs, work very hard. You'll be confident.
Current affairs, you were rather poor.
Yes, sir.
And subject also, you were rather. That's why I told you, make 3, compartments of had topics.
Yes, sir. I have not started. Good preparation, I agree. So I'll
And
do.
any other question you want to know? Anything you want to ask?
It's something. It's not coming right
No, that's
now.
all right. It's all right. Take your time. And if you decide to come back again, we'll
Yes,
be
sir.
happy to talk to you. But that's your choice and decision,
sir.
or wherever you want to go.
But we will never give you an easy mark. Never.
No, this is something which was needed actually, so that I can.
Jolt you.
Yes, so that I actually know where I'm
Yes,
standing.
to jolt you and to make you work in the right direction.
All the best.
Thank you.
All
sir.
the best.
Thank you so
God-
much, sir. Thanks.
God bless you.
All the best.
Friendly mocks and friendly doctors are very dangerous.
So friendly doctors toned down your nervousness.
सब ठीक ठाक है
But they toned down your nervousness also, she is saying. See, this morning a boy came, he had come to us and he had performed very poorly and we gave him a heavy dose. And he again came today, he's improved much. So, it's good to know where you
Yes.
stand and be prepared.
Thank you so much, sir,
Yeah,
for
yeah.
all the inputs.
All the best. God
Thank
bless
you
you.
so
Bye-bye.
much.
Good luck.
Bye, sir.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video lesson from Rao's IAS.